Check out this 2012 Audi TT. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive, driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the outside in with a power convertible roof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.